In today's YouTube tutorial, we'll learn how to prevent or check invalid traffic on your YouTube channel. If you find it helpful, kindly consider subscribing and like this video. Let's do this if you're ready. First, we need to understand that there are two traffic sources of YouTube: internal and external traffic. Internal traffic include views from channel pages, browse features, YouTube recommendations, etc. And external traffic comes from platforms outside YouTube, for example, Facebook, Google Search, WhatsApp, etc. It is the external sources that bring the invalid traffic. To prevent invalid traffic, open your YouTube Studio app. Select video that's bringing such traffic or views. Tap on the pencil icon at the top. Select the tags, Short Remixing tab. Scroll down to the bottom. Uncheck the Allow Embedding box. This will render the link to this video unclickable on every platform across the internet. This is how to prevent invalid traffic to your YouTube channel. If it helped, please like and subscribe for more.